so the next body part that we're gonna do is we're gonna do a knee tape. So for the knee, there is two main ligaments that we tape for. Your LCL, which is on the outside of the knee, and your MCL, which is on the inside of the knee. Both of those tapes are gonna use pre-wrap, Elasticon, and it looks like I need some more Terralite as well. Alright, so for this one, again, we're gonna start with the pre-wrap. You're gonna start about around the gastroc. So, and then you're gonna come up into the knee, up into the thigh. And you're gonna go halfway up the thigh. You're gonna take your Terralite to just kind of hold this down and create your anchors. Again, you're gonna do 2 anchor strips. Don't make this too tight when you're doing it because we don't want to cut off any circulation. And then we're gonna do the same thing down here on the bottom. You're gonna do 2 anchor strips. With your Terralite. Not too tight so you don't cut off any circulation. So then it'll look like this. Then we are going to take our Elasticon. Again, we're gonna measure the pieces. So when we do the LCL, again, it'll be 2 pieces of tape on each side. I like to make little slits in mine again because I like to split mine in half. Right. So again, this Elasticon has a middle piece for you to cut on. So I'm gonna rip a little bit here, and then I'm going to take this, and this piece of tape is gonna go here on her leg. So I'm gonna have you put a little bit of a bend in your knee for me, right there. And again, I split and anchor the tape onto her thigh, and then I'm gonna pull the tape tight and down and anchor below. So this should go right over that joint right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing, this time a little bit more. And I like to go a little bit at an angle with this second one. So the first one is gonna kind of come from here and come straight down. The second one is gonna come here and go straight down, but it's gonna be a little bit more in front. So just like that. Okay. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the inside for the MCO. Again, come anchor that on there. Pull that nice and tight. And this one is gonna come right over that joint. Right there. And then same thing. So we're gonna come back. And we're gonna pull it down a little bit in front. Cover that joint. And then we're gonna take our Terralite and anchor again on the bottom, and anchor again for the top. Since it leaves this all open, we are able to cover again with Terralite if you like. Some schools have cover roll tape to cover everything so it looks nice, or some kids like to wear a knee sleeve over it. Just helps so that this doesn't get caught on anything or anyone. And that is our knee.